Hello everyone, got a 17 Colorado, backup camera's not working, slide into this, needs a battery so I've got it running right now, got one coming. Let me show you what you get. You have to have these running for it to activate the camera. Just get a blue screen, the guidelines. Let's check this thing out. Do an auto scan. See how many modules have codes. Human Machine Interface Control Module. 3 codes. That's probably where our camera PIDs are going to be. Okay, we have a B127B subcode 2B rear view camera input signal circuit missing reference, and B127E front video display output signal. And that's in the Human Machine Interface Control Module. Let's see what kind of PIDs I get out of this. Rear view camera present, rear view camera display inactive. Looks like that's all I get. Rear view camera display active. Rear view camera present. Well, this is not going to help me. Inactive. Active. Service rear vision system. Well, let's get back at the camera wiring and do some back probing. It's probably going to need a camera. So let's take a look at this camera wiring. Pins look good, no corrosion. I got the diagram. Looks like there's the video signal is this yellow wire. Then it goes to yellow or green or gray yellow. So I'm gonna back probe into this yellow video feed. Has a ground, has a grounded shield on the brown. Then this wire here to body control module, white wire. I don't know what kind of signal that's going to be. And then we have ignition and a ground. So we're going to back probe into this red ignition, the white VCM signal wire, and this yellow camera feed and see what we get. To gray yellow. And we'll take channel 2. We'll go on this white wire. Pin 1. White pin 1. Looks like it's right next to the video feed. And I wanted to look at the ignition, this red pin 3. We'll go channel 3. Hopefully I got good connections. And we'll get a good ground. I think this looks pretty good. Four channel. We're going to turn off channel 4. So I said video feed is channel 1. We're going to want to trigger off that, which we have the yellow trigger. And I don't know what kind of signal it's going to send. We'll start with 5 volt. Channel 2 was that BCM wire, pin 1. We'll do the same thing, and then channel 3 is we're looking for voltage. We'll leave that at 20 volts. Bring our trigger down. So it looks like channel 2, that BCM wire, the white wire, pin 1, (14.38 volts). I don't have anything out of pin 3, ignition, F29DA 10 amp. Looks like maybe our fuse popped. And then the video feed, channel 1 yellow. Don't get anything out of that one either. Let's make sure I don't have a bad connection. So that was channel 1 or excuse me, channel 3. And we got the 20 volt scale. And that was red, ignition. Red is red is pin 3. This one right here. Not getting anything out of that. Let's check that fuse. Let's check the owner's manual, see if I can find where that fuse is. F29DA. Fuse. Fuses. Instrument panel fuse block. 314. There we go. F29 right there. Where's this at? The instrument panel fuse block is behind the passenger side cowl side trim panel. Must be over there. There's the nut. There we go. Someone's been in here. See a bunch of scratch marks from pliers or something. Let's see, F29 is. Well, I think it's missing. Let's see. So, be the third one up on the right side. 1, 2, yeah. The dang fuse is missing. I don't know if you can see that. Okay guys, I'm going to use some of these terminals out of my terminal set, since I don't have one of those little, it's like a mini fuse. I haven't seen this style of fuse before. I'll show you one. Do like that. Got a 10 ampere. Yeah, I have this style. I think this is ATC, ATM. And then there's the minis, but this isn't like a mini that I've seen before. That fuse looks like this Micro 2. And they have low profile minis. It's like a low profile mini. There's an ATR. Yeah, it's a, I guess they're calling it a Micro 2. Here's your standard ATM. And we'll connect this up. We'll see if it pops the fuse. It may just instantly pop it. No? Alright, let's check it now. I'll look to see if that pops over there. Fire it off. Haven't seen a flash. There we go. Well, someone robbed the damn fuse out of it. I don't know why they did that, but it is working. Let's go see what our patterns look like. Oh, there we go. That's a lot better. I've never looked at a video feed signal. So channel 1 is this yellow wire, which goes to gray yellow. That's pin 2, and that's the camera, the video signal. That's the video signal. 2 was this BCM wire. Looks like it's just power. Let's see if I have yeah, my filters are on. And then channel 3, my blue one up here, was the fuse that was popped, and that's the red ignition. And you can see now that blue channel 3 is 14.7. What's interesting, the other one's 13.7 from the body control module, or to the body control module. And my scope, I actually changed my ground. I'm tapped in at this ground, so I know I've got a good ground. We can tighten these up a little bit too. Let's go like 1 bolt. And then we can go maybe like 100 milliseconds. So that's what the camera's sending out. And that human interface control module deciphers it and gives you a picture. Yeah, I've never looked at one of these. Interesting, but it is fixed. I got to put a fuse in it, and we'll just see if it monitor it, see if it pops. I still have those 2 codes. Let's clear those out. Let's go ahead and erase everything. See if it does it with the engine running. Yeah, it looks like everything's gone. This one is all fixed up. Thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll see you in the next video.